Got leftover rotis and parathas? Don't throw them, transform them. Let us show you 3 easy, delicious leftover recipes you'll love. First up, a spicy leftover paratha wrap. For this, heat some oil in a pan and add boiled potatoes. Now season it with turmeric, salt, and a slit green chili. Cook till everything comes together and keep it aside. Now for the sauce, mix tomato ketchup and Szechuan chutney with red chili powder. Simple and spicy. Now heat butter in a pan and lightly toast your leftover paratha on both sides. Spread the prepared sauce generously. Now add grated veggies, capsicum, onions, and a good amount of grated cheese. Now fold it into a wrap, seal the edges with more cheese and toast it again in butter, edged side down. Crispy, cheesy and ready. Serve it with chopped veggies or your favorite chutney. Next, a quick leftover roti sandwich. Heat oil in a pan and saute chopped onions. Add bell peppers, grated carrot and tomatoes. Now season with salt, coriander powder, cumin powder and red chili powder. Mix well and your filling is ready. Now take a leftover roti and spread mayonnaise in a semicircle. Now add the veggie filling and fold it into a half moon. Heat a tablespoon of butter and toast the sandwich for 1 to 2 minutes. Serve hot and enjoy the crunch. And finally, a fun twist. Chicken Roti Pan Pizza. For this, grease a pan with butter and place a leftover roti on it. Spread pizza sauce evenly and sprinkle chili flakes. Top it with chicken sausage and tandoori chicken tikka pieces. Now add grated mozzarella cheese, then more chicken on top. Season with salt, pepper, chili flakes and pizza seasoning. Cover the pan and let it cook on low flame. Once the cheese melts and everything looks cooked, turn off the flame. Your pan pizza is ready to serve. 3 recipes, 0 waste and full flavor. Which one are you trying first? Do let us know in the comments. And for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.